In plain ground, in pots, indoors in warmer climates, yes, it's possible. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen. Hello, warm greetings. Welcome to our small kitchen. Kitchen this time, not garden. I'm in the middle of cooking champurrado here, but I have something to report. Late last year we embarked on an experiment whether tulips grow in warm climates like the Philippines and in the tropics. And we have a success to report. Look at this. Isn't that lovely? I purposely did this shoot in front of the mirror to double the number of tulips. I'm planted 4 and we're seeing 2 blooms now. I can't wait for this, this small one. But for unknown reasons, this died. I think it's just overexposed to the sun. So it died. But we have a high success rate. If you remember, we put them in the refrigerator to simulate the winter conditions here in Holland. I put them there for I think at least 8 weeks, and during the coldest season I brought them out. That was January. I brought them out and transplanted them in this spot, but indoors. If you're interested in the complete procedure, just click here for the tutorial, the complete steps that I followed in attaining this success story. I didn't know tulips also have smell. Yeah, they smell like rose. I didn't know. This is by accident. And if you're interested, the flowers that you've seen earlier in the introduction are taken from, or the shoots that you've seen earlier. The shoots, the flowers that you've seen earlier in the opening scene are taken from the Keukenhof, the biggest tulip garden in the world here in Holland. If you want to see more of those, just click on the tab or in the description box for the complete video. I'll be visiting the garden as well late or early March to bring you latest shoots from the garden. Don't forget to come back, click the bell icon so that you get notified when that video is uploaded. So, you can do this. Magtanim na rin. You can there's no excuse in having a sample of the tulips here in Holland. At home, wherever you are in the world. I left the camera on for a week to show you the tulips as they bloom. Also research for the best varieties that you can plant in warmer climates. I have to check my champurrado now. For those of you who live in colder climates like the Netherlands, you too can make this, what I call the Dutch lasagna. It's a layered planting of spring bulbs, from crocus, daffodils to tulips. You are now seeing the crocus. It's now February, or early March, and late this March we'll be seeing the daffodils, and eventually in April the tulips. So 2 months of continuous display of spring bulbs. Dutch lasagna. Make one too. Thank you for joining me here today, and I hope I have inspired you to do planting as well, ornamental or edible, as we grow, cook, and share. Your Kuya and Uncle here, Romulo, from Holland. Until next time, your Segbati. See you in the next videos.